In 1924, ornithologist William Thorpe discovered something remarkable in the English countryside. Young birds, like nightingales, learn their songs by mimicking their parents. But what if they hear no song? Thorpe found that isolated birds created their own tunes, often bizarre and unrecognizable. This led to a deeper understanding of avian culture. Could this be nature's way of ensuring diversity in bird songs? The discovery reshaped how scientists viewed animal learning. Today, Thorpe's work influences research on animal communication. Isn't it fascinating how a bird's song can echo the mysteries of nature? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.